So if you're looking for a Regal 50 SAV at a nice price that is available for your immediate enjoyment of this amazing boat, give me a call, shoot me a text, Christopher, 561-285-1212. We'll get you on a Regal 50 SAV here in Fort Lauderdale, show you why it's been such a popular model, show you why it is in such high demand, and let you shortcut the 6 to 8 month build process. So if you're looking for this boat, you know how amazing it is, give me a call, Christopher. Look forward to helping you enjoy the amazing 2025 Regal 50 SAV, triple Mercury 600 engines, and every other feature you could possibly want on a 50 SAV.